Now this tutorial will focus on subtraction. There will come a time when you're working on a spreadsheet task when you simply won't know what to do. You might not understand the terms that are used, you might not understand some of the layout, or even what basically it's asking you to do. In this case, some of the terms in this spreadsheet can be a little bit confusing. However, with a bit of explanation, hopefully it'll become clear. Now this one is all about pay, so what someone gets for working for a particular period of time. And there are three terms here you might never have heard before. We've got gross pay, deductions and net pay. Gross pay, that is what you get before anything's taken off, like any tax or any insurance. It's what your pay would be for what you're paid per hour multiplied by the number of hours you work. So maybe £5 an hour, working 5 hours gets you, £25. In this case, we've got gross pay and we've got our deductions. Our deductions is what is taken off, it's what we're taking away. And net pay is your pay less your deductions. So in this case, we've got a little comment box here that tells us to insert a formula in this cell to calculate the net pay for Susan Wilson. And it tells us this is a subtraction calculation. Then it tells you what to do. Gross pay minus deductions. So we want to work out our net pay. So as always, when you're doing any sort of an equation, what you need is your equal sign. If you don't have your equal symbol, then you won't be able to do any sort of an equation. The computer just doesn't know what it's been asked to do. Now, first of all, we need our cell reference, and make sure you've got the right one first. In this case, it's our gross pay. So click on cell reference B8 or type it, and then your symbol for takeaway is generally just what it would be in maths. It is your takeaway symbol, like so, and then your final cell reference, your deduction. So we have B8 takeaway C8. That is your gross pay less any deductions. You push enter and it gives you your answer. So that's £323, take away £54.40, and your deductions gives you your net pay of £268.60. And then we do it once, we don't have to do it several times, just copy it on down the column like so, and the formula is copied and your answers are quite clearly visible now. Sometimes you're asked to show your formula in spreadsheets, sometimes you have to print it off like this. If you had to show your formula, there are a couple of ways you can do it. There is a keyboard shortcut. Clearly I can't show you a keyboard shortcut on here, but if you click on the formulas tab, then click on show formulas, your formulas will appear in the cells. After a little delay, we can see that our formula has appeared and we can clearly see that it's been copied down. So B8 take away C8 becomes B9 take away C9, and so on and so on. So crucial points, remember, equals before any equation, and for takeaways it is just your takeaway symbol as it would be in maths. Thank you.